Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI inside online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to see this here the add zones, update, delete, list, need to manage here and to creating here the zone models as well as need to create here the zone view models and to manage this here the zone management. First of all, need this here the models need to create here. Now need to go inside the model folders and to create here the new files and to view this select here the shift UI view and to view this here the name zone model like here. So need to create here. Then after need to go inside the brand models need to copy these models and to paste here and now need to change here model name, also change here equality, and also need to change this here the brand ID to zone ID and years need to change here zone name, also change here zone ID and zone name, also change here the key name zone and only here the names because needs API inside gets here the names, that's why to change here. Now need to copy and to paste this here. Now this is the zone models are done. Now need to develop here the zone view models need to develop. Now need to go inside the view models and to create here the new files and to select this here the shift UI view and to create here the zone view model. Give this here the name like this. Need to creating here. Now need to copy here the brand view models. So need to copy this all data. Need to needs here. Copy this class and now need to change here inside the zone view models. Now change this here the name. Also need to change this here the brand model to zone models. We need to set here like here. So need to setting and also change here zone models and to set here the name property we need to set. Then after need to set here the zone object. Also need to change here the brand name and also change here. Now we need to set here the enter zone name like this. Error message need to set if empty here and to showing like this here. Now need to set here the zone objects and now need to set here the txt name. Use this here the zone name and also need to set here zone model like this. Need to configurations are on needs here the edits. Set here the zone objects and now need to set here the txt brand to change here the name and to set here the zone name. Now updates inside to set here the zone id and also need to set here the zone object and zone id like this here. Changes also change here zone models and to view this here the zone id and also need to change here zone id like this sets here and to declaring here the API. Now need to go jump this here and now need to copy this brand all API to paste this here. Now need to change zone, add zone, update zone, delete and zone list. Now also change here zone, add zone, update zone, delete and zone list like this. Need to given this here the name and also need to change here the view models. Now need to go and now need to set here sv zone list. Now need to change here zone model like this sets and to updates. Now need to set here the add inside the parameters names zone name and also txt name. Now need to sv zone add like this sets. Then after need to change here the update inside set here the zone id variable name. Give this here zone id and also change here zone name, and to set here the name text fields. So updates here zone update like this set sales. Same as now to change here the zone ID for the delete. Set here, select here zone ID as we zone delete. Need to set here like this. Configurations are the needs, and also need to make here the mistake inside the brand for the deletes. Need to set here brand ID this. Need to configure here and to set here. Now need to creating here the accounts inside the view. Need to develop here. Now to create here the new groups and to give this here the name zone. Inside need to create here the zone view and zone add view. Need to develop here. Create here the zone view first one. Then after need to create here the zone add view. Select here the SwiftUI view and to give this here the name zone add view like this creates. Now need to copy here the brand add view. Need to copy years and need to paste this years inside the zone add like this. Need to put and to change here the view models. Zone view models need to set, and also need to set this here the name zvm like this configures. Now need to set here the edit zone and add new zone. Then after need to set here the zone name and enter zone name, change here, and also need to change this here the remove here brand only name give here. So change like this and variables apply here, also apply here like this sets and to configure this here. Now add zones view are the heading done, but now needs here the brand view. Need to copy this all class and to paste this here. Also need to change here the zone view model like here. Change this here the variable name zvm, copy paste this here. Now need to set here zone is empty, give this here the list variables for zvm, set here the set object, copy here, paste this here. Now need to set here zone name. After need to set here variable name actions here. Objects need to pass this here. Now need to scroll down and also need to configure this here the add actions. Also change here list zone add view. Need to update here. Also change here the error message. Also to error change here. Like this configures are the needs here. Now change here the titles for the navigation zone. Like these configurations are the needs, and also need to go inside the accounts and to configure this here the opening page for the zone view. Paste this here's brand, and now need to change here the zone view and to give this here the name as a zone. Like this need to configurations, and now need to check build. Then object scope not found, so need to first of all fix this here. Now need to run here. successfully built. Now need to go inside the accounts and select here the zone view, and to opening this here. Now first of all need to add here the new zones. Use this here the zone 3, need to enter here and to add, click on ads, and now zone add successfully. Need to get this here the response as a API, and also need to update this list. Now need to edit this here the zones, and now need to give in this here the space between here. Now need to updates zone updated successfully. Need to get here the API response and to showing this here the message. Also now need to click on deletes, and to zones deleted successfully. Need to get here the message and to deleting this data. Again, now need to backs and to opens. Now clear this here the previous zones edits. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.